In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your domain in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce admin or just getting started, knowing how to change your Salesforce. My domain is a crucial skill that can enhance your organization's branding and security. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. It's always a good idea to make sure you're using the correct credentials and the right permissions to access all necessary admin functionalities. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, head over to the Setup area. You'll do this by locating the gear icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on this icon and navigate to Advanced Setup. It's a gateway to many of Salesforce's customization features, giving you control over various settings. From there, we'll use the Quick Find search bar, which is incredibly handy for quickly jumping to specific settings without navigating through endless menus. Type in My Domain and hit Enter. This will bring you directly to the My Domain configuration page. If you're setting this up for the first time, you might see a Get Started button. Otherwise, there should be an Edit option if you're updating an existing domain. Clicking on either of these will take you to the domain setup page. Here, you will enter your desired domain name. This is an important step, so take a moment to consider the implications of your choice, as it will become part of your organization's Salesforce URL. It should be unique, recognizable, and closely associated with your organization. Once you've entered a potential domain name, you need to check if it's available. Clicking the Check Availability button will verify if your chosen domain is unique within Salesforce's ecosystem. If it's available, you're on the right track. After confirming that your domain name is available, you'll want to click on Save Domain. This saves your configuration and initiates the setup process. Don't forget to confirm it to proceed, as this is a necessary step to finalize your selection. Salesforce will now begin processing your domain change. This might take a bit of time, so be patient while the system sets everything up behind the scenes. During this process, it's important not to make any additional changes that could interrupt the setup. Once your domain is ready, you'll see an option to deploy to users. By clicking this, you're making the new domain active and available to everyone across your Salesforce org. Congratulations, you've successfully set your My Domain in Salesforce. Your new domain will now be in effect, allowing you to better align your organization's Salesforce environment with your corporate identity. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more Salesforce admin tips and happy customizing.